Hello students, in this video we have the complex number problem, that is 1 plus iota upon 1 minus iota plus 1 upon 1 plus iota, and we have to find the value of this equation. So let's start to solve it. First of all, we rewrite our given equation, and before proceeding the further, I want to inform you that these type of questions having more than one solution. If you know the another method, please comment below in the comment section. So we start by taking the LCM of this equation. So we can write it as 1 minus iota into 1 plus iota in denominator, and in numerator we have 1 plus iota into 1 plus iota plus 1 minus iota. After simplification we get 1 plus iota whole square plus 1 minus iota upon 1 minus iota whole square. Now we further simplifying it, we get 1 plus iota whole square plus 2 iota plus 1 minus iota upon 1 minus iota square. Here we use the a plus b whole square formula. As we know that iota is equal to under the root minus 1. After squaring both sides we get iota square is equal to minus 1. So we use this in this equation. We get 1 plus minus 1 plus 2 iota plus 1 minus iota upon 1 minus minus 1. After simplification we can write it as 1 to 1 cancel out, and here it is 2 iota minus iota is iota plus 1, and in the denominator we get 1 plus 1, that is iota plus 1 by 2. After rearranging the term we get 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 iota. This is our answer. So the answer for this question will become 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 iota. This is all about my video. For more questions, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.